Hello everyone, back in my garage with my $1 million Lexus and my $1 million Honda. I want to show you guys how you can obtain these cars, and it's not about money, it's about I'm just kidding, I'm making fun of that Mike Lopez kid. What's up guys? So this morning we're starting off a little later in the day, but I sound like I just woke up, which I just did. Anyway, these boxes in the back right here, okay? These are the Mugen boxes, and the reason why they're here is because I sold them, thank God. It's a big ticket item, okay? The buyer actually committed, sent the money, and a little bit more because we gotta try to cover the fees, because PayPal takes a lot of money when it comes to, you know, transferring like, you know, a couple $1,000s, you know, with transactions and all. The wheels are on the floor, cleaned them up. You already saw that video yesterday or the other day. Looking mighty clean. So beautiful. Gonna miss these wheels. Got the Mugen boxes. Here they are. I'm going to measure them right now because I have to go to Home Depot and get a slightly larger box to put these in. I don't want to do what the last guy did and just ship it like this because it's a lot of money and I don't want to go through the same ordeal with having the customer, which was me, deal with damaged goods. So on top of that, instead of using just standard bubble wrap, I'm actually gonna go ahead and get some foam, like a foam sheet, and I'm going to engrave the diameter, the 17-inch diameter, and then shove the wheel into it and then stuff that into the box. So I gotta take measurements and go to Home Depot. Probably gonna spend like $50 worth of stuff just to get this thing packaged properly, and then I gotta go spend another, I don't know, $150 to ship them both separately, insured, and to make sure they get over to the West Coast safely. And that's gonna suck, but you know what, I gotta do what I gotta do, and this is what it is. When it comes to Florida, for most of you guys who don't know, there's not a lot of people down here that's willing to spend good money on quality parts. So you know, maybe a handful, like literally a handful in the whole entire state. And it's crazy that I bought this from the West Coast and it's going back to the West Coast. Gonna go pick up some coffee with my girlfriend and gonna head home and get this thing shipped. It's gonna be a sad day. So I haven't made a video on the TLX yet, so here's an update on it. How long has it been? Probably been like 8 months since we wrapped this car, so let me show you guys how it looks. Gotta wash it, but you can tell how nicely everything held up. This is vivid rose gold satin chrome. Pretty good on there. Only bad thing is these little corner right here. It's so sharp. It's so hard to get that with one piece. It always breaks. It's on pretty well. This is the only bad thing on the trunk. I did it in 2 pieces, but you know, this vinyl, it shrinks over time, so I actually have to remove this and rewrap that and overlap it a little bit more. So mirrors look good. So yeah, I'm really impressed with the vivid vinyl this time around. I used APA last time on this car and it wasn't sticking at all. The adhesive, I don't know, I guess it needed a lot of post heating, but when I did post heat with that vinyl, it actually burnt the vinyl more than it helped it. So I don't know, I probably won't use APA again. So tell me if you guys like this color. It's pretty cool on this car, to be honest. And hopefully sometime this year we'll probably rewrap it again, because I actually like wrapping this car. And I don't know. No? It's fine. Yeah, I'd rather do a different color. I'd rather do gloss this time around. We'll see. Look at how pretty this looks. Caramel latte.
And mine.
And
can't really see what
can't even see it now. Alright, we gotta go. Alright guys, so just got the buyer here buying the Josie exhaust. So as you can see, no longer in the garage. So he's gonna be happy with that. Let me do a walk around his car. It's a 2011. It's Pretty clean. Lowered. I was talking about his side skirts because look how nice this carbon fiber weave is. It looks like a 1x1 weave. Actually made by Icon Motorsports. And that's pretty high quality stuff right there. This is authentic novel. It looks fantastic. This edge, this bulge is really nice and sharp. That's pretty good. That really shocked me that he had one of these. A lot of people have replica like me. It's a base in our front lip, or Lexon. Oh yeah, that is a Lexon, yeah. You can tell by the split in the middle.
I hate the mud on every other car. Like
I'm red, bro.
So clean. It's got a carbon OEM spoiler. Pretty nice touch. I had this too, but it was wrapped. Didn't look as nice as his.
Oh, did they paint it?
I don't know if they got in an accident with the car.
My piece of crap. Still dirty and dusty. Hello everyone. Back in my garage with my $1 million Lexus and my $1 million Honda. I want to show you guys how you can obtain these cars. And it's not about money, it's about... I'm just kidding, I'm making fun of that Mike Lopez kid. Anyway, just bought the boxes and the packaging stuff, and we are going to ship these wheels either today, tomorrow, Monday. I don't know. I've been running around crazy today on a Saturday, so let's get the S2000 out of the garage, turn the AC on because it's really hot. You already know what time it is. It's in the afternoon right now where the sun is hitting my garage. Edwin came this morning to pick up the Josie exhaust. He's a really cool guy, really loves his car. You know, really passionate dude about, you know, the Lexus and Toyota brand. So cool dude. I'm happy he went to a great home and he's gonna really enjoy it. But for now, I gotta get this done because the buyer already paid and I just wanna do it right, and it's gonna take me some time. So let's get this car out of the garage and start packing up these Mugen wheels. Alright guys, so here it is. These extra large Home Depot boxes, which are going to house the original Mugen boxes over there. Like I said, I want to make sure this thing gets there safely. These end up being like 19 by 19 by 19 or 21 by 19 by 19 to offset the 7.5 and 8.5 boxes. These are 22 by 22 by 22, so there's going to be a significant gap inside. So I got 2 packs of insulation foam, in which I was going to buy that originally to put within my garage insulation, but I bought these instead. These are called Reach Barrier, and it's been great. Honestly, like I said, the sun's been hitting this garage all day, all afternoon, and when I touch this, it's warm to the touch, but inside the garage there's no leaching through. Now, in my ghetto area over here where the AC's at, it's not bad either, because I actually have one side covered and that side is tinted with ceramic tint. So anyway, it's kind of loud in here because the AC's on. I'm gonna be working on this for at least the next 45 minutes. Anyway, so with everything, I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys on tripod with the Sony, doing a little bit of 4K B-roll. Hopefully it looks fantastic. I've been doing it for almost all my videos, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Would be kind of cooler if I had someone with the camera walking around with my Ronin S that I bought. I could do a review on that later and show you guys if it's worth it. You know, it's kind of cool to have a little nice stabilizer drone footage type thing. But for now, I'm in the garage. I don't need to do too much of that. So we're gonna put you on tripod, get these wheels boxed up, and hopefully everything goes well. Alright, so that took some time, fiddling around with the foam and the saran wrap. The saran wrap I have is for like the household use, not the sticky ones that you see like powder coaters use. That's usually a green color. Should have got that instead. But anyway, they're packaged. Just the front two are packaged. Hopefully things will be snugged and tight, and you know, whatever. If it's gonna weigh more, it's fine. He paid a little extra for it. And that's one thing I want to talk about. The dude that bought these Mugen wheels, he's really cool. He watched my video and saw how tedious I was on preparing the wheels and cleaning it, and he liked what I did and said. He actually sent me more money to cover for the supplies, and you don't really get a lot of people like that in the industry, in the car scene. You know, it's just no one really goes that extra mile to spend a little bit more money because of what you're doing for them. And it's really cool that I'm able to sell this to someone who really appreciates what I'm doing for him. And either way, I was gonna do this regardless. I was gonna shut out the money because I don't want a bad review on my part, and I'm just really anal about parts for myself, because who wants to buy something and have it mess up like the experience that I had. So I'm a little scarred from that, but that's why I'm the type of person I am. Trying my best to make sure the customer or the buyer is happy, and this is as far as I'm willing to go. I'll spend as much as I can to an extent, and also make sure it's delivered properly, secured, insured, and probably gonna put a signature confirmation. Even though it's really a burden, it's just to make sure that these wheels get to them you know, without any problems. So still got a lot to do here. The garage is covered. Styrofoam is messy, so I have my shop vac cleaning up everything as I go. So let's continue on with this, and hopefully everything works out well. I just finished packing one completely, and the second one is ready to go into its second box, but I can't fit it into the TLX, and my Scion is out of commission. So what we're gonna do is put this one in the back seat of the TLX, and the bigger box, because this is like 19, this is like 22, this is gonna fit in the front seat. So this should be fine. This should be in the back seat, and I'm gonna bring all the supplies that I need with me, and then we're gonna go ahead and package it when we get there.
Oh.
So that should be fun. Focus on my face. Alright guys, so we're on the road now, and the wheels are in the car. Just like I said, I had to put the Mugen box on the back and the double box one in the front, and it barely fit. So she's forced to sit back there. Oh well, I mean, better than sitting in the trunk. So on the way there now. Luckily for us, it's what, 6 o'clock. FedEx actually still takes packages all day, 24/7, but they won't ship it out till Monday. So making sure this gets properly processed with the insurance and signature confirmation, because I don't want to mess that up, because these are very expensive wheels, and I did my best packaging them. I don't think anything bad would happen to them. I'm pretty confident in the way I did it. So yeah, let's get there safely. This is how it looks like in Florida right now. Very, very pretty. I feel bad for everyone going through the snowstorm. But yeah, it's okay. Well, we just left. No, we didn't leave yet. We're still here at FedEx in the parking lot. Shipping on it actually ended up being $269 and $16, because 2 packages, both oversized, and damn, you need gas. Declared at the price I sold it for, which is $3,300. So that's the most expensive I've ever spent for shipping anything. I can imagine shipping exhaust or a bumper or something like that. It's probably insane. But anyway, hopefully he's happy with it. It's insured, all that stuff. So I just want to make sure I let people know that, you know, I followed through with it. We're gonna get food now. Gonna head up to Boston Market and try their prime rib. Been craving prime rib. Actually, just been craving any kind of meats. Oh, no homo. That's not what I meant. Anyway, I'll see you guys when I get home. Look at that prime rib. It doesn't look that bad. Kind of looks like ham. What'd you get? Ooh, some chicken. Oh, I should ask for flavor. All good. Coke. Oh man, I'm full. Finally, the wheels are gone. Finally, the exhaust is gone. Finally, some parts are moving, and it's just been a lot better. in the past week after I sold some things. Like I said, financially it's good on my pocket, but still I got a lot to move. Got some big plans for the end of this year, got some big plans for next year. Like most of you guys are asking, I'm still gonna be making car videos, probably. If anything that includes cars, I'll make videos on it. I'm not giving up YouTube yet. That's why I'm kind of starting to vlog every day or post a video every other day so you know what's going on. I still enjoy doing it. Something about making the cinematic B-rolls and whatever I'm doing, kind of enjoy doing that. So I was supposed to actually go home today and wash the ISF for Cars and Coffee tomorrow, but ran out of time packaging up those Mugans, and by the time I got home to eat dinner, it's already dark and late out, so I'm definitely not going tomorrow. All in all, I hope after I sell the Lexus and part out completely where there's like nothing left in this garage, I'm gonna start saving money, putting it towards something very, very important. That's the goal for the rest of this year. I'm taking a step down from all the unnecessary spending and all that stuff. Like, in the end of the day, I'm just a regular person like you guys are. Nothing fancy about me. I'm not a big YouTuber with all this unlimited money and projects. I just try to keep it real and honest with you. We all go through our struggles every single day, and sometimes we don't say it to other people. Sometimes we don't post it on social media, and I find putting it on YouTube really helps me out. And you know, it's nice to talk about it sometimes. I don't want to sit here behind the camera saying everything's good. Things could be better, but 2019 hasn't been so good to me yet. So gonna turn a negative into a positive, because that's how you need to do it, and hopefully things turn out better for me. So anyway, catch me on the next video. Maybe tomorrow I might be washing these cars and there'll be another video. So peace.